Dear student, welcome to the course How to Think Like a Programmer with Python. I am Engineer Tahir Abbas and I am really excited to teach you this course. Now let me discuss the agenda of this session. First of all, I will introduce myself, then I will discuss some course objectives and learning outcome of this course. After that, I will discuss some high-level course contents that we will cover throughout this course. And then finally, I will recommend some books to you. I am Engineer Tahir Abbas. I have master degree in software engineering. I have over 5 years of teaching experience at university level and currently I am a lecturer at Public Sector University in Pakistan. I have taught Python twice in my life, so this is my third effort in row. Teaching is my passion. I love teaching. I love to explain things in a unique way and interesting way. Apart from teaching, I am also a researcher and very soon I am going to start my PhD in software engineering. Now, these are the course objectives. First of all, I will emphasize throughout this course on problem solving skills. Now, what I mean by the problem solving skills, it is about understanding a problem first and then breaking the problem into a concrete parts and then translating those parts to some flowchart or other algorithmic technique. So in this course, I will use both of these techniques, flowcharts and algorithms. In this course, I will also use the executable flowcharts. Now, what is meant by the executable flowcharts? Executable flowcharts are those tools through which you can see the flow of your programs and state of your variables while your program is in executing state or in a running state. And then I will translate those flowcharts to the Python code. I will use this technique to the few sections, and when you are familiar with these techniques, then we can directly design an algorithm. And the second objective is understanding a basic procedural or modular skills. And the major part of this course will emphasize on these skills. And then later on, at the end of this course, I will also introduce you about the object orientation skills. First, I will introduce you about the object orientation and how it works, and then later on, I will also give you some practical example of object orientation. Now let me discuss the course learning outcomes. At the end of this course, you will be able to analyze, design, and solve real-world problems in Python. I have used a step-by-step approach for you to comprehend your problem and then translating those problems into the actual working Python code. And the second learning outcome is that you will understand the importance of procedural program structure and object-oriented programming with the great examples. Other learning outcome could be you can apply all the concept that you will learn throughout this course to any other programming language. I mean, you can also work in Java, C# or other languages. These are the high-level course contents. The first section will be startup section or warm-up section. In this section, I will introduce the course. This lecture is also the part of that section. After that, I will introduce programming and Python environment and how to install Python on Windows. Then I will introduce sequence, which is the important part of this course. And in the sequence, you will learn the algorithms, how we can design algorithms, and how we can apply the algorithmic step to the problems. And then we will cover some input-output command with great examples, the basic math and variables, and then the two sections, control structure 1 and control structure 2, are the crux of this course because we will spend a lot of time in this area. The reason is that I feel over the years that mostly students feel a lot of trouble when they structure their programs or solve the problems using decisions or iteration structures. Therefore, I have spent a lot of efforts in explaining in a simple way and using different technologies like executable flowcharts to teach students how they can structure and solve their problems using decisions and iterations. And then I will introduce the list data structure. After going through the extensive practice of the list data structure, I will also introduce the 2D list and some other data structure, for example, tuples, dictionaries, and also I will discuss about the list comprehensions. And then I will introduce the functions and modules where you will learn the basic modular skills. After that, I will introduce you the object orientation skills with great examples. And in this course, we will also do 1 or 2 mini projects in order to apply what we have learned throughout this course. I will also recommend you to please see the preview of few lectures in order to get the idea or know about the quality of this course. And these are some recommended books. However, you can use any stuff that you feel comfortable in learning programming principles. I will keep updating this course in order to produce the high quality lectures. For example, adding some exercises and quizzes. So please go ahead and join this course. I hope you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching.